If you love crisp, golden results without the extra oil, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the best wall ovens with air fryer built-in features, combining versatility, convenience, and healthier cooking into one sleek kitchen essential. Number 1. Cuisinart ovens with air fryer. The Cuisinart ovens with air fryer is a smart, all-in-one countertop appliance designed for anyone who loves variety and efficiency in the kitchen. Powered by a robust 1800-watt system, this unit does far more than just toast bread. It's a full-service oven equipped with an air fry setting along with toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming features. Its wide temperature range, stretching from a low warm to a high 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures flexibility whether you're reheating leftovers or roasting a whole chicken. One of the highlights of this model is its generous interior capacity, large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, bake a 12-inch pizza, roast a 4-pound chicken, or air fry up to 3 pounds of wings. This makes it an ideal choice for families or those who frequently entertain guests. Ease of use is another key feature, with an adjustable temperature dial, a 60-minute timer with auto shut-off for safety, and a toast shade selector that guarantees consistently perfect results. The inclusion of practical accessories like an oven rack, baking pan, air fry basket, and grill adds to its versatility, while the built-in oven light makes it easy to keep an eye on your cooking without opening the door. Cleanup is refreshingly simple, thanks to a non-stick, easy-clean interior that resists stubborn food splatters. Beyond its functionality, the Cuisinart impresses with a polished stainless steel finish that blends effortlessly with both modern and traditional kitchens. Whether you're craving air-fried snacks, broiled steaks, or a batch of homemade cookies, this appliance delivers reliable, even results across all its functions. It's a great solution for anyone looking to consolidate several kitchen gadgets into one stylish, efficient unit. Number 2. Toshiba ovens with air fryer. The Toshiba ovens with air fryer is a cleverly designed, multifunctional appliance that offers an impressive range of cooking features in a space-saving, countertop-friendly format. Unlike most traditional microwaves, this model functions as an 8-in-1 kitchen companion, combining a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, combi cook, low-temperature cooking, odor removal, and defrosting modes all in one. Its 1,000-watt microwave output and 1,600-watt input power ensure quick and even heating, making meal preparation faster and more efficient. Compact in size, it features external dimensions of 20.6 by 18.0 by 11.8 inches, but still accommodates a 12.4-inch position memory turntable, capable of holding a whole roasted chicken, a 12-inch pizza, or an 8x4-inch casserole dish. One of its standout features is the healthy air fry function, which allows users to enjoy the crispy texture of fried foods with significantly less fat, retaining the original flavors without guilt. Added safety comes from the built-in 2-step child lock, providing peace of mind for households with children. Toshiba enhances convenience with a range of thoughtful features like one-touch popcorn, multi-stage cooking, a clock and kitchen timer, and a mute function for silent operation. The turntable's position memory ensures it always returns to its starting point, so you won't have to awkwardly reach for your dish. Its sleek black stainless steel finish and easy-to-clean stainless steel interior offer both durability and a stylish modern look. Number 3. Emeril ovens with air fryer. The Emeril ovens with air fryer is a bold, versatile countertop appliance that delivers restaurant-quality cooking with home kitchen convenience. Designed with a spacious 26-quart capacity, this oven is built to handle family-sized meals and entertain guests with ease, fitting a 6-pound rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza without crowding. Its standout feature is the impressive selection of 25 cooking presets, covering everything from baking and toasting to defrosting, roasting, slow cooking, and air frying. The dual-speed fan ensures even, 360 degrees superheated air circulation for consistent crisping and browning, whether you're preparing golden fries or a tender roast. The oven's toasting function is a thoughtful detail, automatically turning off when the toast countdown ends and signaling with a red and blue indicator light system. This attention to safety and convenience extends to its elegant French doors, which open smoothly with a single pull, offering easy access to your dishes. The stainless steel exterior not only lends the appliance a professional, polished appearance, but also adds durability for daily use. An interior oven light makes it simple to monitor cooking progress without opening the door. Practical capacity aside, The Emeril ovens with air fryer excels in versatility, tackling everything from crispy chicken wings to slow-braised meats and flaky pastries. Its wide temperature range and multiple rack positions allow for simultaneous multi-dish cooking, perfect for busy families or holiday gatherings. Whether you're air frying healthier snacks, baking desserts, or slow cooking a Sunday roast, this model delivers consistently delicious results with minimal effort. A great choice for anyone looking to elevate their countertop cooking setup, the Emeril ovens with air fryer blends generous capacity, diverse cooking options, and eye-catching design in a reliable, feature-rich package. Number 4. GE ovens with air fryer. The GE ovens with air fryer offers a thoughtful balance of classic microwave convenience and contemporary air fry technology, making it an excellent addition to compact kitchens, dorm rooms, or office break areas. Despite its modest 1.0 cubic foot capacity, this appliance packs an impressive range of cooking functions into its small frame. Powered by 1,050 watts, it ensures quick and efficient cooking, while its built-in air fry mode lets users prepare crisp, golden brown favorites with less fat and no additional appliances cluttering the countertop. The convection mode circulates air evenly around food for consistent results, whether baking, roasting, or reheating leftovers, while the broil function achieves perfect caramelization or searing at the touch of a button. For ease and safety, GE includes a two-step child lock feature, which can easily be disabled when not needed. A rotating glass turntable ensures food is cooked evenly from all sides. Preset controls for popular dishes like fries and chicken nuggets simplify everyday cooking tasks, offering reliable results without guesswork. Its sleek, compact design fits seamlessly into small spaces without sacrificing cooking performance. Ideal for modern, space-conscious homes, this appliance delivers a practical blend of microwave speed and air fryer health benefits. Number 5. Ninja ovens with air fryer. The Ninja ovens with air fryer redefines countertop convenience with its clever design and powerhouse performance. What makes this appliance especially appealing is its space-saving flip-up design, which allows it to be stored vertically against the backsplash, reclaiming up to 50% of counter space when not in use, a huge benefit for small kitchens. Despite its compact footprint, it boasts a surprisingly generous cooking capacity, handling a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or up to 4 pounds of food at once. Ninja's proprietary oven crisp technology combines rapid air circulation with infrared heating for edge-to-edge even cooking and consistent crisping. The 8-in-1 functionality covers all your kitchen essentials, offering air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate modes, making it a true multitasker. Whether you're roasting chicken, dehydrating fruit, or baking desserts, the Ninja oven consistently produces delicious results with minimal fuss. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.